present here today with us. We'll spotlight his video. Welcome, Mr. Arbach. Go ahead and get your time started right now.
Thank you for allowing me to tell a little bit about myself on this kind of somber day, October 1st. I'm reminded of these horrible shootings that occurred in 2017 because one of our staff made it out of that event safely. To talk about me now, I've lived in Las Vegas since I was 2. My dad was a casino dealer, and he taught me the meaning of hard work at an early age. I had a paper route at age 14. I got up at 3:30 every morning and delivered my papers. My dad made me go out for sports during high school because he didn't want me sitting around the house fearing what would happen with idle hands. I liked tennis the best, but I didn't make the freshman team. My coach said, we've got 13 on the squad, we're cutting it down to 12, and you're number 13. So I went to a local tennis pro and negotiated lessons in exchange for washing tennis courts and stringing rackets. 3 years later, I took second in doubles, the Nevada State Tennis Tournament. High school tennis tournament. I got a tennis scholarship that got me through college, and student loans got me through law school. I started my legal career in the district attorney's office, and in 1988, I started my own law firm with Al Marquis. Over the next 32 years, my law firm went from 5 attorneys to over 40. Some of the secretaries and staff have worked for the firm for 20 to 30 years. Here's the thing. District court judges handle the most important and complex cases in Nevada. I've practiced law in the district court almost twice as long as most other candidates, not all. I've done over 35 district court civil trials and 10 appeals, more civil trials than most other candidates. I've done over 80 binding arbitrations where attorneys picked me to be their judge on large cases like would otherwise be handled by the district court, not the small non-binding arbitrations. When I got out of law school, there were 6 judges in Clark County. Now there's almost 60. So I've seen judges come and go, some good ones and some bad ones. And the real difference is their trial experience. We need district judges with real trial experience in torts as well as business cases like contracts, real estate, construction, and employment law. For 30 years, I've lectured and written articles on the law for new attorneys to make them better. I've been endorsed by the Review Journal, the Las Vegas Sun, the Latin Chamber of Commerce, the Culinary Union, the Firefighters Union, former Governor Sandoval, former Governor Richard Bryan, just to mention a few, and I'm getting more and more endorsements daily. I want to use my experience and skills to give back to our community as a judge by helping cases move through the system efficiently, economically, and fairly to all. So I would appreciate your vote. Thank you.
Thank you very much. We appreciate that. All right, last but certainly not least in our